Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing swatches on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So this palette was released last Wednesday on Valentine's Day. The palette has 14 eyeshadows and it retails for $42. And I also believe this palette will be permanent. As of now I haven't seen anywhere where it says that it's limited edition. On March 6th it will be available online at retailers such as Ulta, Sephora, Beautylish, and MACYS. Then it will be available in stores on March 10th. So the packaging of the palette is the same as her previous palettes such as Modern Renaissance, Subculture, and Prism. This one has like a goldenrod velvet. It also includes a dual-ended brush. The palette has 9 ultra mattes, 2 iridescents, 2 metallics, and a multi-dimensional, which is the shade Fairy. Soft Glam shares 3 shades with a permanent palette, which is Modern Renaissance. The 3 shades they share is Tempera, Cypress Umber, and Burnt Orange. These eyeshadows are extremely pigmented and buttery. You can only tap your finger and get a full opaque swatch. The formula of this palette reminds me more of the Modern Renaissance and Prism palettes. The only shade that I noticed a lot of kick up was the shade Mulberry. You only need to touch the eyeshadow to pick up product instead of tapping the brush in the pan. Like I said, the eyeshadows are very pigmented, so there's no need to apply pressure when picking up product. I didn't experience any problems with the eyeshadows, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.